The Laitkor Dorbar Pyllun yesterday honoured its women's football team for winning the Women's Football League title 2024. The 2024 tournament was held at the Polo Ground, Shillong. The event was attended by Lambor Malnyang, MDC of Nongkram constituency. Also present were club leaders, residents, football players and their parents. The Laitkor Sports Club women's football team secured a 2-0 victory over PFR Football Academy in the final held at First Ground Polo. In recognition of their achievement, the MDC presented each team member with cash prizes and mementos as a token of appreciation for their dedication and performance.
Dengan kenal, rasa serang hidup kata-kata, nama video akan mana yang kenal berulang, yang kata-kata yang memperpikiran, dari bangga yang kenal berulang, dan bangga Krishna Laitkor para away.